Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so Lorella, our beautiful architect up in Florence, has been on the ground, like boots on the ground in the trenches, filming for us and sending a bunch of pictures. And she found a fantastic property for you guys. This one is in the town of Valiano. Remember Valiano? Remember we talked about this little town that had a bunch of houses for sale. There was a lot of work happening there. Prices were great because there was a lot of properties available, and it's 15 minutes out of Montepulciano. Remember that one? Well, she found this gorgeous house there. It needs a little love, but of course, all the best ones do. And it's 280 square meters. Plus, it has a spectacular terrace out the back with gorgeous Tuscan views. It's crazy. You're gonna love this one. So I'm giving you a teaser tonight because it's gonna take a little bit to stitch it all together because it's big. And it's gonna come up in the next day or two. So this is the teaser, and the long form video is on its way.